So we moved the tools into the house today. Today is moving day.
Woo!
But not like the moving day. It's move the tools into the house day. We got a lot of stuff to bring over here.
And we don't have to live in the construction because we've done that before, and I'm not doing that again.
That's a first. All right, yes. So get to work. I'm gonna go have a beer.
Setting up in there, I'm going to take a little moment for the pretty stuff. I've got 6 different paint samples for the exterior. I'm going to brush on 1x2 foot squares. I'm going to show you the inspiration picture for what I'm going for here, and you tell me what you like best, what color. So hopefully you guys can help us decide. Look at that pretty white. Alright, we've got Navajo White, Swiss Coffee, and Easter Lily. Only 3 more to go to paint on, and we'll see which one you guys think is good. Alright, last one. This is Doug Wing. Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Okay, stop. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you which one is my favorite, but here are the whites. Tell me what you like the most, which color out of the 6 that look almost identical.
They all look the same. They all look the same.
Right now in this light, yes, but when you paint a whole house, they will look completely different, and they are all different shades of white. So
I don't like simply white. It's too white.
Too white. That's what I'm thinking too.
These are my 2 favorites.
Okay, these 2 lit.
Yeah.
Okay, so pick one, because I want to know if he picks mine.
I'm going to go with green.
Also not the right color.
How about that one?
Yes! Navajo White! That's the one I want.
All right, can I get back to work?
All right, get back to work. Ooh, you're sweaty. Oh.
Moving day ended up being a little bit of extra work. I just couldn't not do anything. Ended up taking out these built-ins over here. This is kind of our first big day of rain, and I know that we have 1, a bad roof, and 2, we've got some drainage issues around the foundation, so I want to come back over and check and see what it's actually doing. Right off the bat, I can see that there's stopped up gutters that's running right into the foundation. So that's not how a gutter is supposed to work, and that is exactly why this post is sinking into the ground. So let's look around, see what else we find. I'm sure it's not going to be great, but hopefully it's not too bad.
All this concrete back here collects the water, brings it right here to the foundation, right behind those buckets, which is not good.
This is where the water is coming to the foundation. It's hard to tell looking at the screen from here, but I can't tell if there's actually water. Oh, almost dropped the flashlight. Does it look wet? It looks wet. And I think this one means we need gotta put a French drain out there. Yeah, more work.
It's also a lot of water coming off that porch. Gotta put a gutter up there. Luckily, this isn't next to the foundation. It's just off the
So all the problems I found were problems that I already knew about. You know, we got a little water coming to the foundation. It's not too bad. We can fix that by taking out that concrete and putting in a little French drain. I mean, it might not even need the French drain, you might just need to grate it away. And then the other problem was that where that post is sinking on the edge of the carport. You know, obviously I was hoping that gutter was working correctly, but it's not. And that's the reason why it keeps sinking and sinking and sinking. But we can fix that by just cleaning the gutter out, putting some gutter guards on it. Then we hope we have a pretty easy fix to get that column kind of back to where it needs to be and kind of bringing up the carport, which we'll, you know, address later on. So all in all, not too bad. We can live with it. We will carry on. That's it.
We got a dumpster, we got a dumpster. We're gonna fill it with lots of junk.